Welcome to Sharinglanguage. My name is Jose Maria. This is a video to introduce you to Sharinglanguage, this community or website, and explain briefly how to make use of it. We are now on the main page. Here we can find information about the website. As you may already know, this is a community for sharing languages, any language of the world. And you will be able to meet native speakers who speak the language or the languages you want to practice. We are now on the main page, as I said before, with information about the site. On the bottom of it, we have this form to look for a language partner. On the top of it, we have to say the language we want to practice, then our native language, and then the way we want to communicate with our partner by email, on the phone, on the internet, on our website, or even face-to-face if we are interested in meeting someone in our location, or if we are interested in any of these ways. So we click on send button and we submit this form, and then we will see a list with the members who meet these requirements, and then we will be able to contact them by sending them an email message. Then we have we can see the same form through this tab, partner. On the main page, we find also the login form, where we have just to enter our email address or password. Also to activate the Remember Me, just if we want not to enter our data every time we come to our website, because the browser will remember them if we activate this box. We find the same form here through this link, login. As this image says, we can exchange messages or have chat one-to-one or private conversation. Either one is the way we will have to communicate with our language partner or language partners. Here, where I have the mouse on at this moment, we find this link. If we want to switch to Spanish language, we will find this link on many of the pages of the website. We go to information tab. Here we find general information about languages, the current situation, online resources, tips on how to improve our use of this website, or just how to improve our language learning. Here you see time zone, because very likely we are going to contact with people living in another country and with a different time zone. So here we can find out what his or her time zone is. We move now to another tab, frequently asked questions. Here we find these questions about the website, about us. Again, general information about the website, why it was created, and on the bottom of it we have this form if we want to submit a comment or a question to the administrators of the website. We can do that also through this link, contact us, which can be found also on the bottom of this page. My account. Now we try to access this tab, but it is not possible because we have to be logged in order to do that, and to be logged in we need to have an account. Through this tab, through this link, my account, we will be able to manage our messages, the messages we have sent or we have received, to manage our contact list, to edit our profile, etc. etc. Partner, as we said before, we will find here the same form as on the main page. Sign up. This is for us to apply for an account. It is just a form we have to fill out. For example, here we have to write down our first name, our last name, our email again, password between 7 and 18 characters. We enter password, birthday, year, month, day, gender, country we are living in, state location we live in. This is optional. Take into account this would be showed on our profile, so it may be interesting for us to say what state or location we are living in. If, for example, we want to meet someone in our location face to face. Here, our native language can be up to 2 languages. We just have to click on the language. If we want to choose two, we just have to press Control button on our laptop, and then we click on the language. Okay, the same is apply to this box where we choose our practicing language or languages. We can choose 1 language up to 3, and then we will be able to edit this through our profile as well. Here we have to enter as the form on the main page the way we would like to communicate with our partner by email, on the phone, on the internet, on our website, or face to face. We can choose one or several of them or all of them. And in this box we just have to explain briefly why we are using this website. The next box is just to be shown on our profile by other members. So just to talk a little bit about the level of the language or languages we want to practice, our availability to contact with other members, etc. Anything interesting for other members or the members we may contact in the future. Here we have the terms and conditions of the website. This can be also found through this link, TOS, terms of and conditions. We just have to click on this box, and then on the bottom, on the very bottom, we just have to enter the code. It is displayed on the left for safety reasons. We just click on submit button. If there is some mistake or something wrong, we just will see the note or a message telling us how to correct it. And if everything is okay, we will see a message telling us that we will get an email in 1 day or 1.5 days with a link inside that we have to click on in order just to confirm our account. And then we will be able to enjoy this website, all its features. We will be able to meet native speakers and to practice our favorite language or languages. So I hope you sign up with us and you will enjoy this website. Thank you very much for listening to me. Best regards.